gonna go hiking at a preserve, Cup and Saucer. Very interesting name, not sure why it has that name. We were camped up at the Chutes Provincial Park and it had electric. And I would just let you know, if you camp at their parks up here, the electrical boxes can be very far away from your site. So fortunately our cord was long enough to reach. We also went to Whitefish Waterfalls, and there was an old building there. It was most likely a mill. And I forgot to mention, the Chutes had some really nice waterfalls to check out there. This should be a moderate hike, about 3 miles. We're up here in Canada. It's fall time. Leaves are really pretty. The weather keeps changing on us. So it's a little cold up here on the escarpment here. It's hard to get a video of it, but we're walking along a wall over here. And I imagine at some point we'll be climbing up it. We didn't bring flashlights, and there was a way to go into a cave and come out, but we didn't have any lights, so we weren't sure if it made it through. But now we're going to go back and go through it because there's a ladder come out, but there's a way to go over the top of it. All those weird holes too. Where would you think that?
I know, I had that problem too.
Oh yeah, that's not fun.
Haven't missed one fun hole yet, have you?
Okay, that's interesting. What's going on here?
Well, I don't know. Do we have to keep going up or what? Okay, are we going down this or are we going back to the little hole?
Is it sketchy?
It's just really slippery.
Should we go the other way or is it too late? Need a hand?
Oh, I need to get my foot on the bottom.
So worth it. Oh, it's nice.
3/4 of the way up. It's bouncy though.
Oh, it's so nice. Home improvement scary up here. What? They got duct tape.
Holding the stairs together?
With some nails.
Oh my god.
That definitely was an adventure trail.
Yeah, it was.
You just need your phone to get through the Talus Cave. It's short, but you definitely need some kind of light in there. And all the obstacles, you can go around them, but they're definitely fun to go on. And I would recommend starting the way that we went in from the beginning of the trail. It seemed to work well, that you're just going up the ladders. But that was a lot of fun and definitely worth it. We're gonna head to the Overlooks and then make our way back.
Look at the cliff walls, like. Around it, but
Has to be one of the most beautiful overlooks we have seen. That has to be the top of the top of the. I mean, it's breathtaking to even explain how it's so flat and we're on this little mountain here. It is unbelievable.
and it's so rewarding with like minimal effort. You really didn't have to climb a giant mountain to get there.
Yeah, it's such a simple hill to get up to have such a view.